Hi guys, welcome to your English class. We are ready to continue now learning more about adjectives and making comparisons. Well, we almost conclude our program that we are in Unit 2, but today we will continue with comparisons. Well, probably you remember that we were working that when we work with short adjectives, well, we need to add er at the end of the adjective. Like for example, we have here shorter, hotter, colder. And if we mention some examples, we can say that Sonora is hotter than Mexico City. And in the case of long adjective, it's just a little different expression more. In this case, for example, you can say beautiful, more interesting. And we have the example here, Belinda is more beautiful than India Maria. Well, you remember this. This is just a little review about we were working the last class, but today we will continue with some exercises in order to practice what you learned. Well, in this picture, you can observe before, and then you have the comparative black, blacker, fader, and so on, right? But what about, for example, with the adjective they are long, the long adjective, for example, positive, more we can say well, more positive, well, difficult, more difficult, careful, more careful, handsome, more handsome, and so on, right? Because they are long. Here we have some examples. Sophisticated, more sophisticated because it's long, long adjective. The laptop is more sophisticated than a typewriter. And then we have here these two pictures. You have a Pochito and a Camaro. But the Camaro is faster. You see here ER. And then we have on the cell phone. Well, we say that the smartphone is more expensive. Yes, it's more expensive than a traditional telephone. And finally, we have here, Javier is stronger than Miss. This is long adjective, short adjective, long adjective, and short adjective. Now, in your English exercise 1, you have the instruction. Complete the sentence using the comparative of the adjectives in brackets. For example, here you have the adjective big. In the comparative form is bigger. Sean's house is a lot bigger than mine. And you will continue with the other ones. For example, fascinating, more fascinator, nice, nicer, and so on. You will continue. But also, you need to evaluate the next sentences. You will read them and you will decide if they are true or false. For example, in exercise 3, you have an elephant is fatter than a giraffe. Is true or false? It's true. And then you will continue with the other examples, like for instance, you have the weather in England is hotter than in Mexico. Is true or false? Well, you will decide it. Well, guys, in case that you need more knowledge or you need to understand more about the topic, you have more time, yes, with these links. You can check and to learn more and to get more information, right? Please, a favor, don't forget to send me your evidences to my emails or my WhatsApp group. Yes, I need that you take a picture about page 57 with your exercises, and then you send them to my emails or to my WhatsApp group in order to evaluate them. Yes, I'm going to check if they are correct or not, and then I'm going to make a little feedback with you in order to know more about you. Well, guys, now I'm going to continue with your participation, right? I'm going to ask you something about the topic. I'm going to see if you learn or not. Thank you very much to continue with you, taking your participation and also taking your attendance. Thank you very much and have a nice day, right? See you. Bye.